Hello guys, what's your chance of seeing a celestial earthquake? A singing dune? Or two moons at the same time? Well, I'll tell you about 1 in 1 billion, but today is your lucky day. We've put together videos of these and other spectacular events in nature. Oh, and before I forget, leave your like to help strengthen the channel. Let's go! You'll be surprised, but the descent of this giant mud avalanche was caused by a simple hailstorm on top of a mountain in Switzerland.
Oh putain!
Danger! Holy crap! Whoa!
Yeah.
Power lines.
Oh my god. Oh, that's for real.
Pole. Power lines
Oh my god.
exploding. Oh my god.
Wow. Look at all the shit in here. Oh my god.
Holy.
Oh my god, Ryan. Oh my god. We gotta get inside. Oh my god. Ryan! Oh my god, Ryan.
Look at all the boats right there.
Oh my god, this is so scary to watch. This is literally my first year.
I'm so happy it's going away. Oh, just look, that rolled over.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's gonna run right through this freaking main drag. It flipped it. I think that boat righted itself. That boat was upside down.
In Guatemala, not only did the volcano put on an epic smoke show, but the lightning also accompanied it.
Holy!
A mesmerizing sight.
Alright, so it's moving. But wait, when we start moving, it looks like it's still, and then you can tell it's moving again.
In Alaska, people have recorded an incredible optical illusion. While the car is moving, the water in the river appears to freeze.
That's so crazy.
Have you ever heard of celestial earthquakes? Yes, they exist, and thanks to this footage from Mexico, you know what it looks and sounds like. It's scary and beautiful at the same time, isn't it? That's why you shouldn't underestimate the power of nature.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh my god.
We're seeing a huge landslide and the luckiest drivers in the region. A reason to change your mind when crossing by car on a ferry.
Oh my god. I'm not okay with this line.
Whoa!
Because I'm really not.
Oh, this car slammed into that car. Oh my god. Yes. Holy.
Is your brake on?
If you see such a large number of fish, take a moment to contemplate the beauty and move away from the water. It's no coincidence that the fish wash up on the beach.
A really big baseball one just rolled by.
To give you a better idea of the magnitude of this hail, it was the size of baseball. This was a 4-minute surprise of nature for the residents of Dallas.
Oh my god, look at
Oh
it!
my god!
Okay, next time, I'm gonna trust your friend.
When you said hail, yeah. I have never in my life seen anything like this.
Oh my,
Is it-
look at this, look at that!
Oh my god, it's raining trees.
It's like literally a hailstorm.
Are we okay? Is there anything above us?
That's insane.
Whoa.
Look at that.
With the size and volume of the avalanche, it's simply a miracle that their camp came out completely unscathed.
Oh my god. It's all the way down. It's covered the whole glacier. Moly. It looks so different now.
Rubbing the top layer of sand of a dune against the bottom layer of sand can produce a sound that sounds something like this.
Whoa.
Right now.
Right there.
Whoa!
What some might mistake for a sandstorm is actually an invasion of millions of insects.
Wes, semoga selamat. Masuk tuh Om.
This is not the arrival of aliens or a meteor shower. This is space debris burning up in the atmosphere. This is something that can only be filmed once in a lifetime. A common pastime of Texas residents after a windstorm is to find a garage in a huge pile of tumbleweeds. There were no tsunami warnings that day, just these clouds looking like giant waves. These images, taken directly from the mountains of Switzerland, could be used in any feature film, as beautiful as they are. A brief summary of why we shouldn't underestimate the power of nature. The current of a river in China easily swept away a heavy bridge. It's hard to believe that this is a real video of a sandstorm in Egypt and not a scene from the new part of Dune. Just a few seconds and the landscape in that area changed forever.
Oh my God!
Kakaiba yung mundo, dalawa yung mundo.
A phenomenally beautiful optical illusion that will make you believe we're living on another planet. Share in the comments what you really saw in this phenomenon. This recording has nothing to do with Mad Max. The truth is that in order to burn the methane produced, the residents of a village in Taiwan set fire to a mud volcano during an eruption.
Portanto, é só uma nuvem que está só a chover aqui, localizada, e mais lado nenhum está a chover. Vejam, aqui não chove, aqui chove.
As if controlled by a clock, every 5 minutes the Stroker geyser in Iceland shoots a jet of water up to 20 meters high. It's simply fantastic.
I got that one.
Welcome to New Zealand. This is how the air from underground caves reaches the surface. Whenever you see videos like this, you should know that the cameraman was very cold, and it is only possible to capture the halo phenomenon in these weather conditions. So guys, comment if you like this content and leave a like. If you're not subscribed yet, tap here now, subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications bell, and we'll see you next time.